Hello traders, good afternoon. Welcome to today's session of looking at what happened with the ES mini market today. Again, before we start, if you're liking the contents of these videos, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and click on the notification icon. So when we were in the morning, this was the CPI bar that happened. We marked the high and the low of the CPI bar, and then we started looking at the market right around 9:30. So let me explain what we did based on the ETA chart, and then we can go back to the RTA chart. So if you see here, this was a strong leg down, right? And then we had one leg up, two leg up, three legs up, four legs up. However, if you notice here, we were creating a nice wedge here. So as soon as this particular wedge happened, this was the 930 bar. So when the price came here, we shorted below the 930 bar. My first exit was right at the bottom of this particular news bar at 5817. And then we saw this inside bar happen once again. After seeing this inside bar, I actually put a sell limit order right above the inside bar, bar number 3. And when the price reached 1.3, I was completely out of all my contracts. Right after that, if you see, this was a very strong bar. We did not do anything here because this was not looking like a great bar. It did not close above the EMA. And then the price went up till here and then dropped back again. However, the next bar was a nice inside bar again. We bought the close of this bar, and at this point of time, I was trying to see if we can get 20 points from here, which is at 1275. So I was looking at the 32, 33 area. And as soon as we came to the 33 area, I actually exited that trade. After that, what happened was that there was a three-legged pullback. This was the first leg down. We went back up. This was the second leg down. We went back up. And this was finally the third leg down. So at this point of time, what I was looking at was after this new high was created, this was the first reversal attempt. We went back up. This was the second reversal attempt that happened. We went back up. We had the third reversal attempt after that. We were scalping a little bit on the short and the long side here. I collected around 3-4 points in this area. However, if you see after this third reversal attempt happened, we did not get a follow through bar. Let us now move on to the RTA chart and bring in the bar numbers. So we went long above bar number 19 here, looking at this two consecutive bars and the three legs down. We went long here, and I was trying to see if we could get back to the top of bar number 9 again, and we were holding on to the trade. So this was the first leg up, this was the second leg up, although we had a pullback. So that completed the two-legged pullback, and then bar number 26 actually gave a wonderful candle. So we bought some more above bar number 26, and I was thinking that we could get 10 to 20 points from here. So when we came and hit 42, that was my first profit taking, and after that, as soon as we saw bar number 35, I came out of all my contracts here. Now, why did I come out of all the contracts here? If you look at this move here after the spike, we had the first reversal attempt, which were two-legged. This was the second reversal attempt. This was the third reversal attempt, and this was the fourth reversal attempt. And this was actually a two-bar reversal setup, right? So as soon as this happened, I came out of all my contracts below bar number 35. Now, we did not do anything till here, but when we saw this inside bar, I again took a chance because the context here was bearish. We had four reversals. We could not close above the fourth reversal attempt. So I shorted below bar number 38, again the inside bar, and I kept my stop loss above bar number 37. And then I was trying to see if we are capable of coming down to these lows once again. But of course, since we shorted around the 35, 36 area, we took our first profit at 25, but this leg was pretty strong, so I was expecting another leg down. And as soon as bar number 43 happened, I shorted below that once again. And once we came to the 20 area, I was completely out of all my trades. Now, when these candles started going up, I actually went long above bar number 46 again, although it was not a second entry long. I took a chance. I kept a 3-4 point stop loss, and I went long here. However, as soon as we saw bar 50, which was the second entry short within the body of this candle number 39, and if you also see here, this was right at the 50% of this particular candle. So we shorted below bar number 50, and my exit was again at the 5816 area. And when bar number 54 went and touched the EMA, I shorted there again, and I was looking for 10 points from there. So we entered at 5829 and came out at 5819. That was the first exit. I held on to my contracts. I'll explain in a few minutes why I was holding on. And when finally the price came down to the low of bar number 4, I was completely out of all my contracts on the short side again. So after the drop of these three candles, I started counting the reversal attempts. This inside bar was the first reversal attempt. This was the second reversal attempt, and we had a strong break below the second reversal attempt. Although we had a two-legged pullback to the upside, I was expecting that there will be one more leg to the downside, and that is why we shorted below bar number 50 and we came out at the 1675 area. And then I was actually expecting that since this leg was pretty big, we will be able to get one more leg down. So when this particular candle went up to the EMA but could not get above the EMA here, I actually shorted the close of this candle. Again, we shorted at 29. So my first exit was again at the 19 area. And then I was holding on to a runner. Now, why I was holding on to a runner was we had a nice channel that was created here. So I was thinking that we can get some kind of climactic bar. And since we could not get up above the 50% of this candle, there is a big possibility that we will come and touch these lows once again. Also, after this new low was created, this was the first reversal attempt, this was the second reversal attempt, this was the third reversal attempt. So I was thinking, since the third reversal attempt was so weak, we should get another leg down, and we got that leg down to the downside. Now, if you watch what happened here, after the strong move, this was the first reversal attempt, this was the second reversal attempt, this was the third reversal attempt, and bar number 64 was the fourth reversal attempt. So we did not close below bar number 64 at all. I lost my concentration here and I could not get my entry to the upside. I would have entered around the 20 area, or at least around the 2325 area, and my target was again the 32 level, because I was now looking at the price can start at 11.5 and can get 20 points to the upside. Also, I was looking at the open of the day and I was expecting the price to go above the bar 1 and get somewhere to the 32 area once again. Now, if you want to understand the details of leg counting, I have actually created a video on leg counting. I will put the link of that particular video somewhere in the top. So those are all the trades that we had. We had a little scalp here. We had a little scalp here. We did some scalping here. This was the first good trade that happened, and we got till the top here at 42 and finally came out below 35. We shorted again below bar number 36. We took some exit at 10 points. We shorted above bar number 41 again, and we came out of all our trades around the 22 area. We had a little scalp above bar number 47, and we shorted below bar number 50 again, and we came out somewhere around 16.75. Our next short happened at the 29 level, and we came out around 12.75. So that was all the trades that we took today. I could not enter this particular move to the upside. So today was a complete trading range day. So we were measuring the legs, we were counting the points, we were looking at where the bulls and the bears can be present. After a strong leg down or up, we were expecting another strong leg down and up, and that was the way I played. This is where I will end this particular video, and I'll see you guys again very soon with the expectations and the support and resistance areas for tomorrow. Till then, have a great rest of the afternoon, everyone. Bye.